Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm gonna show you guys how to add Telegram link to TikTok. At first, what you do is head over to your Telegram and then you tap on the three line at the top left and then go to my profile. From there, what you do is copy your username like this, or tap on the three dots at the top right, click on copy link to profile. And then what we do is head over to TikTok. Now, if I click on edit profile, inside my bio, I could paste the link like so, but as you can see, this is not clickable. It only says see translation. So what you need to do for that is on your profile, tap on the three lines at the top right, go to settings and privacy, go to account, click on switch to business account, let it load. Next, 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 next. So what sort is your account? Let's say education and training. Next, and then email address skip, and then now we have been given a registered one. So now if I click on edit profile, you see add your website. So if I just remove my bio from here, save, and then inside website, paste it, click on save. Server is currently unavailable. Okay, it just loaded. After refreshing, this is my Telegram link. If I click on it, it will directly take me to Telegram, and this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.